Introduction. Welcome to our video on fine-tuning GPT models to follow instructions, where we will explore how to adapt LLMs for instruction-based tasks. This process involves customizing a pre-trained model to interpret user directives and deliver structured outputs. Let's dive into the details. Introduction to instruction fine-tuning. Instruction fine-tuning teaches a model to process and respond to specific prompts. Unlike generic language models, a fine-tuned LLM can handle detailed instructions, making it highly useful for tasks requiring precision, such as summarization or code generation. Preparing a dataset for supervised instruction fine-tuning. The foundation of instruction fine-tuning is a well-crafted dataset. Each data point pairs an instruction with a corresponding response. For instance, translate this sentence to French: "Hello, how are you?" would be paired with "Bonjour, comment ça?" High-quality, diverse datasets are essential for effective fine-tuning. Organizing data into training batches, the dataset is divided into training batches to ensure efficient learning. Each batch includes diverse instruction response pairs, helping the model generalize across different types of prompts. Proper batching prevents overfitting and speeds up training. Creating data loaders for an instruction dataset. Data loaders play a critical role in managing the dataset during training. They dynamically shuffle, batch, and preprocess the data, ensuring that the model receives varied instruction types in each iteration. This improves the model's ability to handle a wide range of tasks. Loading a pre-trained LLM. Using a pre-trained LLM as the starting point reduces training time significantly. These models already have a strong grasp of language patterns and relationships, allowing the fine-tuning process to focus on task-specific improvements. 6. Fine-tuning the LLM on instruction data. Fine-tuning involves training the model on an instruction dataset, teaching it to map prompts to accurate responses. For example, given the instruction "explain the concept of gravity," the model learns to provide an explanation like "gravity is the force that attracts objects toward one another." Learning rate adjustments and gradient clipping ensure stable and efficient fine-tuning. Extracting and saving responses. Once fine-tuning is complete, the model's outputs are extracted for evaluation. These generated responses are saved and analyzed to assess how well the model interprets and responds to instructions. Evaluating the fine-tuned LLM. Evaluation measures the model's ability to follow instructions accurately. Metrics like accuracy and relevance are used to gauge performance. For example, a spam classification task might measure how often the model correctly identifies spam emails. Comparing outputs with a validation set highlights strengths and areas for improvement. In conclusions, fine-tuning transforms LLMs into specialized tools tailored for instruction-based tasks. Whether used for customer service, educational support, or creative writing, these models excel at understanding and executing user prompts. By fine-tuning GPT models, we unlock their potential to address real-world challenges effectively.